If you're in the market for a kit that'll make your bike's crankshaft turn more smoothly, All Balls Racing has the state-of-the-art crankshaft bearings and seal kit you're looking for. Crankshafts are what give vehicles the power to move forward. Needless to say, that's an important part of driving anything. Worn-out crankshaft bearings will knock from excessive play as the piston reciprocates in the cylinder. Ignoring a worn-out crankshaft bearing can lead to catastrophic failure, costing hundreds if not thousands of dollars. All Balls has a lot of technology and engineering packed into their crankshaft bearing seal kit. The kit includes all necessary components. The bearings are manufactured by Koyo, a Japanese bearing manufacturer famous for outstanding quality. For more information, visit us online at allballsracing.com or call us at 515-402-8000. Whether you ride on or off-road, All Balls has the bearings and driveline components you need to handle whatever comes your way.